In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set a no-reply email in Outlook. A no-reply email is a message that lets people know their message was received, but that the inbox isn't monitored and they shouldn't reply. In Outlook, the simplest way to achieve this is by using an automatic reply that clearly communicates that responses won't be read and where to go instead. I'll walk you through it now. Start on your Outlook homepage. Make sure you're signed in and looking at your main mailbox view so you can access settings for your account. From here, go to Settings. You'll find the gear icon near the top of the screen. Click it to open the settings panel so we can make changes to your mail behavior. Next, open the account area. This takes you into the deeper settings where Outlook groups key options for your mailbox. If you don't see the full menu right away, look for a link like View All Outlook Settings, then choose the section related to your account settings. This is where we can control built-in email features that affect how your mailbox responds. Within the account-related options, select Automatic Replies. This is the feature that sends an immediate response to incoming messages, which is perfect for setting up a no-reply style notice. Now, turn on Automatic Replies. You'll see a switch or checkbox to enable them. With it on, type the message you want people to receive. Keep it clear and respectful. For example, you can say that this mailbox doesn't accept incoming replies and provide the preferred way to reach support or the right team. If timing matters, you can set a date and time range so the auto-reply runs only when you need it, such as during a campaign or while a system mailbox is active. When your message looks good, click Save to apply the change. A few quick tips as you finalize your text. Be concise and unmistakable that replies aren't monitored. Include a single best next step, like a support portal or contact form, so people aren't left guessing, and avoid wording that sounds dismissive. If this is a shared or system inbox, consider noting the mailbox name in the message so recipients know they reached the right place. That's it. You're back on your Outlook homepage and your no-reply automatic response is live. Any new message that comes in will receive your notice right away, helping set expectations and reducing follow-up emails to an unattended inbox. When you no longer need it, return to automatic replies and turn it off, or adjust the wording as needed.